Hey everyone, thank you for watching this video. We are just back from the Grotto Canyon Trail in Poweli Provincial Park. The trail is around 8 kilometer return with only 150-meter elevation gain, so it's not hard on your legs. It's pretty easy, and this trail is totally family friendly. We have seen many kids today, and the weather was really nice today. It was like around 10 degree, so the ice was melting, so it makes actually slushy there. So if you are trying to do this hike on the warmer day, I would suggest you to go with one extra pair of socks and the shoes. Keep it in your car, so once you come back, you can have it there dry when you drive back home, because I'm pretty sure that you're gonna get the wet feet. Other than that, it was really icy, so spike would be highly recommended. If you have pole, that is add on. If not, that's fine. We did it without fall, but the spikes was really helpful. And end of this trail, there is really nice frozen waterfall, where today we see one ice climber as well. And there is one more waterfall if you go up right from there, and then it was like natural slides and you can come down from there. But if you do that slide, I will ask you to be very careful, because it was super slippery and I was not able to stop where I wanted to and end up being into the water, and that was really cold. So but it was fun, so I can't complain. But yeah, just be careful if you do that. After that waterfall, trail is not maintained, so officially your trail is end there. But it was very easy to go beyond there, and if you go beyond there, there was like a pretty narrow canyon, and then after that there is a really open space and really beautiful 360 view. So I'll suggest you to do that if you want. It's not a bad idea for sure, and if not, then you can just come back from the waterfall. If you are in Calgary, I will highly suggest you to do this hike. You can also go with your kids, and they will love the frozen waterfall at the end, and then you can try the slide as well with them. Yeah, but just be careful when you do that. That's all from here. I hope you like this video and get some information, and if you do, please support and subscribe my channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.